Yo, what's up? Having a little off-season fun with some RC drift cars. You guys maybe remember some stuff I did last winter with this guy. That one is a Tamiya TT01. Recently, I got my hands on an MST RMX 2.0. I'll pop the lid off it and give you guys a look. Alright, first up, the body. A while ago, I had some RC car stuff, and this is one of the bodies that I kept from it. It is a Yokomo FD3S with the Apex branding on it. Kind of legendary car. So my new car here, it is a rear-wheel drive chassis. So unlike the Tamiya that's under there, that one was four-wheel drive. This one gets pretty gnarly steering angle, and it has a built-in gyro, so when it's plugged in, it automatically will counter steer. So check it out. When you pick it up, see it's kind of moving. When the back goes to the left, it automatically steers its proper direction that it's supposed to be going. I have a low-C centered brushless motor in there. I stuffed the ESC kind of underneath in there. So far, this thing's been a ton of fun. We'll throw together a couple little fun video clips in the basement course to let you see it in action.